Content sick, y'all. They call it stress relief. Yeah. Boom. C-A-P-O-N. Straight G, straight gangster. You know all about me. You done heard the word, you done seen the name, you done seen the blogs all about me. Tell me what they done said, man, up in the ESTL, St. Louis streets. Everybody done hollered out. Yeah, that boy ain't just screamed defeated. Got a white flag, y'all niggas facts. Lay back, dog, and I done let you have it. Lay back, man, to see the cameras flash when I'm hopping out. You can see the mag, that's a black dog with them black magnets. Gon' stop, dog, and I can let you have it. Y'all niggas, y'all fake rappers, I done came back and I done body snatched all y'all niggas on the track, though. Came back, this your back broke. I lay back, dog, and I done came up for these white man and these black folks. Everybody can just see it, man, that I done came up. No, I'm not broke, that's $1 million, dog, on the sound scans. When you see it, dog, I am no joke. Everybody see man, dog, I keep those guns. I do elope with all bullets coming, dog, in your section, don't got choke. Don't stop around your hands, got my hand around your throat now. Don't stop, there's no landslide, no giving up, there's no luck now. What's up? That's Capone. I'm in the feeling, you can see me in my zone. I'm somewhere, I'ma call it Calkin, call it home alone. Out here on my mission, man, out here on my zone. I'm just out here steady getting it. Everybody see I'm paying my whole tuition, miss. Don't stop, I told you I'm a misfit in this game. I roll it up, I told you I don't hang on with you lames. I niggas know for real, man, yeah, I'm sticking the same. Everything I know is true though. That's why I scream it up, I get for real though. That's where I blow them now. Special dro, I go to Pluto. I'm somewhere up in Mars with the stars, I'm in you know. And you know for real, you know I'm never in no you go. That's 360 up on the dash, man, that's that G-Go. Y'all niggas see that G-Lo. Don't stop, man, I'm a freeload. Don't stop, y'all niggas know I'm on the grind, get my dose so niggas know when I don't go. And don't stop now, I'm on low. Don't go down, dog, don't go hard. Y'all niggas know I'm all pro. Right now, dog, and I don't co-sign for no niggas, no, I'm no hoe. Going right now, dog, and I'ma go now. For right now, dog, I'm gon' go. Hey, more missions, more sound, that's my game plan. I do it now, wrapped it up, I got my game, man. The studio sessions, you can see I got my game plan. All around the world, I'm making money, millions made, man. Yeah. That's all in my system. Drink, dog, and I told them if they hatin', I would dismiss them. Give me one thing, yeah, radio, dog, just transistor. I told them, dog, if they hatin', dog, my levels can't resist them. Lay back, dog, and just missed them. Once again, dog, I ain't fishing. I'm laying back, dog, I ain't wishing. Count to the stars, yeah, I ain't wishing. My faith's up like Martin Luther King. Take the next step and see a dream. Lay back, dog, and I done waited up. Right now, I got it on the triple beam, so I doubled up my profit. That's why I'm sitting right here now, somewhere, dog, in that tropic. Right now, dog, with the sun beaming on me, right, can't stop it. Don't ask me why I got guns on me right now, man, cause I cock it. If that's static right now, dog, and that drama, yeah, I'm gon' pop it. Right now, dog, like a pimple, man, understand, dog, got a gun in hand. Right now, standing with a master plan. You don't wanna see me when I caravan. You can see me got bricks in hands, so I'm trying to move it on a 95. Trying to get it through the caravan like